afternoon, children. So today again we will start the revision only. Okay. So before means EPS class also we just already studied about the revision only. Okay. So again I will here revision only. They choose the correct answer here. It is given. So if like that only will be given. So that time what you have to do? You have to here the options are given here below. So three options are given. Out of three, which one is the correct answer? That you have to choose it and write it on the upside. Okay. So choose the correct answer. Starting first one. So here dash is given. Dash is a natural ecosystem. Dash is a natural ecosystem here. The three options are given here below. The first one is bridges. Second one is the forest. Third one is vehicles. So out of three, the which one is correct? That you have to write it here. Dash is a natural ecosystem. The bridges, no, the bridges are made by human, and vehicles are also made by human only. And the remaining that is forest. Forest is a natural ecosystem. So that you have to write here. So forest is the first one. The forest. The forest is a natural ecosystem. Come to next one. Second one. The gravitational force of the earth holds the dash. The gravitational force of the earth holds the dash. So here three options are given. Out of three, which one is correct? That you have to pick and write it here. Okay. So the gravitational force of the earth holds the sky. No. No. It is rocks. No. And the atmosphere. Atmosphere is correct. So that you have to write it here. So here second one, that one you have to write atmosphere. The gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere. Next one, third one. The atmosphere consists of a number of gases, dust and dash. So you know very well the atmosphere. The atmosphere consists of a number of gases, dust and dash. So consists of a number of gases, dust and trees. No, wrong it is. Plants also not is there. So water vapor. The third one is water vapor. That is correct. So you know very well the atmosphere consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. The atmosphere, you know, that is atmosphere means Vayu Mandala. The atmosphere consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. Vapor is hot, right? Okay, come to next one. The fourth one. Dash is created by nature only. So here three options are given again here below. The parks, mountain and buildings. So the parks made by human, you know very well. And buildings also made by human only. So this one also you know very well only. The remaining that one option is there, that is mountain. Mountain is created by nature only. So that is how to write. Mountain is created by nature. Okay, come to next one. Okay, once again I will tell you here, choose the correct answer. So you have to choose it. The three options are given here below. So out of three, which one is correct is there? That how to choose it and write beside. Okay. The first one is dash is a natural ecosystem is there. The forest is a natural ecosystem. So that is how to remember. The second one, the gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere. Second one, the gravitational force of the earth holds the atmosphere. So this one also how to remember. And third one, the atmosphere consists of a number of gases, dust and water vapor. The answer is water vapor. That you have to remember. And fourth one, mountain is created by nature. And this one also how to remember. Mountain is created by nature. This one also how to remember. So come to next one. Okay, I will write here first. Okay, come to next one. Four are over here. Fifth one. Dash is there. Dash is a human made. Dash is a human made environment. So here the options are given here like this. The road, river, Third one that is mountain. That is a mountain region. Okay. Sixth one. So dash is not a ecosystem. Dash is not a natural ecosystem. So here options are given there below. Vehicles, water. C1, that the option is A. So like this I go. Okay, 7th one. Environment provides the A water, food and dash. So here options are there. I'll write on the board here now. Environment provides the air, water, food and dash. What is this? Option is this land. C is okay, so these are the some options are written on the board here. So come to start with the step 1. Dash is a human-made environment. So 3 options are given here below. So out of 3, how to choose which is the correct answer. Okay. So dash is a human-made environment. Dash is a human-made environment. The options are road, river, mountain. So out of 3, which one is a human-made environment? That how to choose it and write on the upside. Okay. River is a human-made environment. No, wrong. It is river is created by nature only, and the mountain also created by nature only. So the remaining is road. The road is a human-made environment. So 6th one. Dash is not a natural ecosystem. Dash is not a natural ecosystem. So dash is not a natural ecosystem. Out of 3, which one is not a natural ecosystem? So please carefully how to read that sentence only. The dash is not a natural ecosystem. Which is not a natural ecosystem. Yavudu natural ecosystem alla anteli adana ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. Dash is not a natural ecosystem. So vehicles, the water and air. Air is one. So the air, you know, it is comes in natural ecosystem only, and air also it is also comes in natural ecosystem only. But dash is not a. The question is the not a means that is a vehicles. So vehicles is a not a natural ecosystem. Vehicles is not a natural ecosystem. So that how to remember. Vehicles, you know very well. Vehicles are made by human only, not by the nature. Not by the nature only. Vehicles is made by human, not by nature. Okay, so vehicles is not a natural ecosystem. So that you have to remember. 7th one. Environment provides the air, water, food and one more is there. That is, the environment provides the air, water, food and one more is there. What is that? Provides the air, water, food and one more is there. So you have to choose it. I have written on the board here 4 options. The houses, land, planets and stars. So which one is correct is there? The environment provides the air, water, food and houses. No. The land, yes. The land is correct is there. So that you have to write the land. The environment provides the air, water, food and land. Okay, planets, no. Stars, no. Okay, so these are points how to remember. Okay, now next to come to question answers. So your backside the question answers are given here. Questions are given. So already I am giving you a task only. In previous class I already given the answers. Okay. So the question is, what is an ecosystem? So you know very well what is an ecosystem. The ecosystem that is community of living and non-living things that work together. That is an ecosystem only. So you know very well it is very the simple definition I given to you only in previous class. The ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community of living and non-living things that work together. Okay. So that is how to remember. Okay. Here and one more that is. Give 4 examples of human-made environment. So I will draft here this one and I will write on the board. So all these how to remember. Once again I will leave here. The road is a human-made environment that how to remember. The vehicles is not a natural ecosystem. Yes, that how to remember because vehicles are made by human only. Vehicles are made by human, not by nature. So that's why it is not comes in natural ecosystem. Environment provides the air, water, food and land. That also how to remember. Okay, come to next one. Come to next one here. What is given here? Again here. Okay, question answers. So what is an ecosystem? Okay, here that one given. And second, before I told that only what is an ecosystem? The community of living and non-living things that work together. That is an ecosystem. Okay, that time how to remember. And one more is there. That is give 4 examples of human-made environment. Give 4 examples of human-made environment. Give 4 examples of human. Which are very well? The roads, parks, bridges, and industries. Yes, industries. See, roads, parks, bridges, industries, monuments, buildings, houses, and vehicles. Okay, so these all how to remember only. So you can write any 4 only. So here on the board so many are there on the board. The roads, parks, bridges, industries, monuments, buildings, houses and vehicles. I written on the board so many are there. So please just you have to write only 4 examples. Okay. So give 4 examples of human-made environment. Give 4 examples of human-made environment. So when you are writing like this 4 examples, the question is that give any 4 examples of human-made environment. But when you are writing answer sheet, when you are writing in answer sheet, that time you have to write extra 2, 4 plus 2 extra you have to write, because out of 4 if any the spelling mistake is there, if any word spelling mistake is there, so you will get the full marks. Okay, so that's why you have to write. Here the question is that give any 4 examples of human-made environment. But you have to write, don't write only 4, but you have to write plus 2 again. Okay. So if any mistake is there, you will get the full marks. So that's why. Okay, come to next one. Here it is given. Which are the 2 major components of biotic environment? So here the question is that which are the 2 major components of biotic environment? So I told that biotic means the whole of all living organisms comes in biotic. Abiotic means the whole of all non-living elements. The whole of all non-living elements comes in abiotic. The best example for abiotic is land. The best example for biotic is plants and animals. So that only you have to write here. Okay. Now which are the 2 major components of biotic environment? Which are the 2 major components of biotic environment? So that you have to write the best example for biotic plants and animals. So plants and animals only have to write here. Okay. So which are the 2 major components of biotic environment? The answer is plants and animals. Yes. Plants and animals. okay, how to just do one thing. Okay, here the plants and animals are the two major components. Yes, components. The plants and animals are the two major components of biotic environment. Okay, that you have to remember here. The plants and animals are the two major components of biotic environment. So that you have to remember. Next one. Write any four examples of created by nature. Write any four examples. Write any four examples created by nature. So here, write any four examples. So here the question is that write any four examples. Write any four examples created by nature. Created by nature means you know very well the air, water, land, living things, all these are comes in that are natural only. You know components of environment. Two are there. One is human made and another one is a natural. Okay. So write any four examples of created by nature. Four examples. Any four examples? Write any four examples. Okay, created by nature only. The air you can write air, water. Okay, air, water, the rivers, lakes, mountains. Okay, mountain also you can write. Okay, mountain and lakes, rivers, lakes, mountain, and one more are there which are those. Okay, here is water. Land also. Land and seas. Yes. Seas and oceans. Yes. So I have written on the board here air, water, rivers, lakes, mountains, land, seas and oceans. So these all are created by nature only. Okay. So that you have to remember only. So many mountains are comes also and lakes. So many rivers are there. So many lakes are there. Land also is there. Air also is there. Water also is there. And seas and oceans also is there. Okay. So many are there. So all these you have to remember only. So here the question is that write any four examples. We asked here one question. Write any four, at least four examples of that created by nature only. Write any four examples created by nature only. The question is like that only, but you have to write extra plus two. Okay, two extra you have to write when you are writing in answer sheet. Don't write that time only four. Okay, don't write that time only four. You have to write six. Okay, six you have to write. So air, water, rivers, lakes, mountain, land, seas and oceans are written on the board here. So these are only the four examples created with this. So these all are created by nature only. Okay, these are all are not made by human. These all are created by nature only. So that you have to remember. Okay, so all these things you have to keep it in your mind only. Okay, come to next one. Anything is there? Okay. So here. Write four examples of human-made environment. Okay, what are the two major components of biotic environment? Okay, so this is also given here. Okay, come to next one. Okay, here is the in your textbook only. The below it is given here. The match the following. You know here it is given the biosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and environment. Okay, so biosphere, which is the narrow zone of the earth where land, water, air interact with each other to support a life. That is biosphere. So atmosphere is a thin layer of air that surrounds the earth. Okay, so blanket of air which surrounds the earth, that is atmosphere is there. And here the hydrosphere is domain of water, that you have to remember. And environment, our surroundings, whatever you see in your surroundings, that is environment. Okay, come to next one. Take the correct answer. Here is backside is given, which is not a natural ecosystem. The desert, the options are given like this: the desert, aquarium and forest. The which one is not a natural ecosystem? So aquarium is not a natural ecosystem. The answer is aquarium. The which is not a component of human environment. The second one, which is not a component of human environment. The land, religion and community. So three options are given here below. So out of three, which is not a component of human environment? Which one that? The land. The land is created by nature, that is not made by human. Okay. So which is not a component of human environment? The answer is land. Which is a human-made environment? The mountain, sea, road. The three options are given here below. Which is a human-made environment? The question is which is a human-made environment? So mountain, sea, land, the road. The three options are given. Which one is there? That is road. Road is a human-made environment. So that is answer is there. The road is a human-made environment. And mountain and sea both are created by nature. So that is how to know. Which is a threat to environment? The options are given like this. The growing plant, growing population, growing crops. So out of three, which one is the threat to environment? Which one is the threat to environment? That you have to write. The answer is growing population. Growing population is a threat to environment. So that you have to remember and keep it in your mind only. So these all things you have to remember. Okay. So the plants and animals are the two major components of biotic environment. That you have to remember. And which are created by nature? The air, water, rivers, lakes, mountain, land, seas and oceans. So all these are created by nature. Okay. So that point you have to remember. And here, which are the human-made environment? So which are the comes in human-made environment? So here are there on the board: roads, parks, bridges, industries, monuments, buildings, houses and vehicles. So these all comes in human-made environment. Okay. So these all points you have to remember and please, okay, do the study well only. So only for your exam only the first lesson is there. Okay, that you have to remember. Okay, we will see in the next class only. Again we will discuss in the next class only. The next chapter that is inside our earth. Okay, so all these things you have to remember and please do study well only. Okay.